Hey everyone, welcome to the Practical Gardener. So I'm very excited to show you these beautiful Gerbera plants that I picked up today. Not all of them I picked up. This one I already had. So two of them, but these are the ones that I picked up in a nursery in Bangalore. It is near the place called the Big Banyan Tree. That there are a whole bunch of nurseries there. And this is from one of the roadside nurseries. Unfortunately, the nursery did not have a name. So it was just one of those roadside nurseries which was selling only gerberas and roses. So that's where I picked this up from. Aren't they beautiful? This is the first time I am coming across a white gerbera, pure white one. And look at the center. It looks like a, absolute monochromatic color with this white and the black center. Looks absolutely beautiful. This one is a nice peach color. Has to still develop. A lot of petals still kind of coming up. This is a very nice, beautiful pink, very light pink. Look at this one. Isn't this lovely? So this has this dark pink, pinkish red kind of an ombre effect. And then it has a center dark pink. Okay, and this one I had before. So this was from last season that has come up, but the size is much smaller. If you compare the sizes of the plants, the blooms, you can see that there's a huge difference in the sizes. Okay, and this orange as well, something that I had before, and which has come back this season. I already have a Gerbera care video on this channel. These are sun-loving plants. They are called Gerbera daisies. So, and daisy itself is daisy, which is like sun-loving, right? So put them in direct sun, especially the morning sun. They love it. They are winter bloomers. They are one of the 5 most known cut flowers in the whole world. Okay, so they are extremely popular in bouquets and in gardens. They love to be moist, so water them well, but do give them morning sun as well. They don't do as well in the afternoon sun, so give them a good amount of morning sun. Get them to shade in the afternoon. When the top layer of soil is dry, you can water them again. Don't overwater as usual. I will be, repotting this because these are mostly in a coco peat kind of a mix, which is not very conducive for these plants, to be honest. So I would put them into a cinder and loose soil mix, more like succulent soil mix rather than coco peat. But what they like is soil, they are quite forgiving about, but what they really like is to be fertilized often as well. Okay, and then there are some of them which are getting new blooms as well. For instance, if you see this, so there's a new one here, new bloom that is budding. So fertilizing them in the growing season is good. So very easy plants to take care of as long as you don't overwater them, as long as you give them adequate sunlight. So they are here right now indoors just for today. Tonight I'm going to water them well, and I've isolated them because that's what I normally do with any of the new plants that I get. I'll check for pests, etc., and then introduce them into the garden. So that's gerberas. Once again, I just can't get over this one. Okay, this one and this one, very, very pretty. And quite rare. I've not seen this combination. Not to say that these are not pretty. These are excellent as well. So you'll find a lot of options in the nurseries. As winter comes in, you'll find them almost everywhere now in Bangalore. Okay, signing off. Bye.